Hey Charmers, today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle highlighters. In case you guys didn't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription for only $25 that features 5 products. You can also upgrade to Premium and Luxe, and our Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle highlighters are featured in our September Luxe box. To start things off, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle highlighter in the shades Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. Look at these beautiful shades. I love the colors, and I'm gonna be using these on my cheek. I'm gonna go in with my finger and apply it to my face very softly. And as you can see, it is a beautiful color, very nice rosy color, and very easy to blend. I love this. Look at this. Ooh, I am blushing. I love this color. This is amazing. And now I'm gonna take Moscow Mule and I'm gonna use it as a highlighter on my cheekbones. Ooh, very nice. That's pigmented. That is very pigmented. I'm even gonna put it on my nose and the upper lip. Yeah, very nice, very nice. And the other side. Ooh, that is nice. Ooh. And now I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle highlighter in the shade Chills. And this is gonna be my eyeshadow. Oh, wow. I don't know about you, but this color is giving me chills. I put Chills in the middle of my lid to give a pop of color, and I'm gonna go back in with the original colors I was using, which was Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule, because I just loved the color and I love the formula, and I feel like it'd be a good, easy way to blend it in with this pop of color. So now I'm gonna get the shade Ginger Binge and I'm gonna put it in the outer corner of my eye and just easily blend like so. The formula is amazing. It's so blendable. It's so nice. I love it so much. This cream powder hybrid formula is amazing. I love it so much. It's so easy to blend, so easy to use, so versatile, and it looks good on top of that. To complete this look, I'm gonna go back in with the color Ginger Binge and softly put it on my lips because my lips need some love. I'm just gonna slowly, just to get a little bit of color. This creamy formula really makes it so similar to putting on lipstick. It's amazing. And it gives you a little bit of color. And I'm gonna also get Moscow Mule because I wanna shine a lot, because that's what we do, we shine. So I'm gonna put it in the middle, softly, just to get a little pop of color, again in the Cupid's bow, and completed. Very easy, using 2 highlighters to get a full face. Alright guys, well that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this look I created using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle highlighters. If you guys like this look, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye Charmers!